If your Troy-Bilt string trimmer isn't cutting like it used to, there's a good chance that your trimmer line just needs to be replaced. In partnership with our good friends at Troy-Bilt, we'll walk you through how to properly replace the trimmer line step by step so you can get back to the job at hand. To help demonstrate, today we have this awesome Troy-Bilt 2-cycle string trimmer. So let's get into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn off your trimmer. Allow the engine to cool and disconnect the spark plug wire for extra safety. Next thing you're going to want to do is remove the trimmer head cover. For the Troy-Bilt trimmer that we have here today, you're just going to want to unscrew the bump feed knob by turning it counterclockwise. This will give you access to the trimmer line. Remove the spool and pull out any remaining line. Discard any worn or tangled lines and clean the debris from the housing. Cut 10 to 15 feet of new trimmer line. Use the correct diameter and straighten the line before winding. Check your owner's manual for exact specifications and proper trimmer line for your machine. Insert one end into the anchor hole and wind in the direction of the arrows. Keep the line tight and evenly spaced. Place the spool back into the head and feed the line through the eyelets. Once installed, ensure the spool sits properly and rotates freely. Again, this step depends on the type of trimmer head that you have. For the Troy-Bilt trimmer we have here today, you're just going to want to take the bump feed knob, thread it onto the trimmer head, turn the bump feed knob clockwise until it's secure in place. Pull the lines gently to confirm proper feeding and that they're locked in place. Reconnect the spark plug wire and start the trimmer. Tap the head to ensure that the line feeds correctly. And there you go. Thanks so much for watching. Replacing the trimmer line is one of the simplest ways to keep your trimmer working properly. Thanks again to the good folks at Troy-Bilt for sponsoring this video. And remember, visit PartSelect.com to get everything you need to keep your Troy-Bilt string trimmer running smoothly. Take care and we'll see you next time.